The station is iPower 102.7 FM. And it is the pride of the people.
Original. Happy African man. Original.
Conscious Vibes. Now the program where we they play all the conscious music. And today is dedicated to the Abamieda himself, Olufela Oludotun Anikulapo Kuti.
Me, I not be gentleman like that. I not be gentleman at all. I be African man, original.
And the track where you dey hear so na Gentleman, he calls it Gentleman.
Original. I not be gentleman at all. I be African man.
And based on some things where they trend now, it is reasonable for us to educate ourselves about who Fela was.
Original trouble. You know talk.
The legacy, the history, the pedigree, and the family. My name na Alaba Adeyemi.
Me, I not be gentleman like that. I not be gentleman at all.
Rather than start from his father, because many people when they talk the story now from his papa, then they start. Me, I go start from his grandfather.
I like I'm so. I know what to we are.
The legacy of the family,
Friends don't know.
because some people don't know, say, no be Fela be the first artist from his lineage.
They put in pant, they put in singlet, they put in trouser, they put in shirt, they put
His grandfather,
in coat. They come,
Reverend J.J. Ransom Kuti.
he be gentleman, he go sweat on
If you be Christian
faint, like
and you dey ever sing Yoruba hymn,
like shit. He go peaceful, but he not gonna know. I not be
Yoruba hymn, many of the Yoruba hymn where you dey sing now,
at all. I'm not gentleman.
na Reverend J.J. Ransom Kuti do the interpretation to Yoruba. So when you dey sing Ìgbàgbọ́ mi dúró lórí,
I not be gentleman at all.
àbí you dey sing N ó sùn mọ́ Ọlọ́run.
I not be gentleman at all. Oh. I not be gentleman at all.
You are singing the translation
I be African man.
of Reverend J.J. Ransom Kuti
I be African man. Original.
of the English hymn to Yoruba.
Them call you.
Somebody say never hear am before.
You chop small.
You don't hear am today.
You say you belly full. You say you be gentleman.
But before I go on,
You,
make I yarn about this song, Gentleman.
you go so far. You go quench.
Fela usually they use in own music, they criticize Western ways. Some of the yeye behavior where Western people teach us. African man, they chop heavily, chop well.
Original.
Now, Oyibo man teach us, say, 2 slices of bread and 1 cup of tea, now it be breakfast. Why me and you know say that you know if you break any fast?
Away. Somebody come bring original trouble. You know.
He say na Western way teach us say somebody they find you trouble, you they call gentleman, person slap you.
You go tired.
African man know they turn the next cheek. African man go return the slap.
Me, I not be gentleman like that. I be African.
So when you they listen to Fela music, you they listen to intricate musical work, and you also they listen to lecture, better lecture. You they listen to a better lecture. For this one, gentleman, he say, no go gentle, no go let gentility turn you to R&D.
Don't know. He put in socks, he put in shoe, he put in pant, he put in singlet,
I don't tell you as they go, Abi.
shirt, he put in
His grandfather, I never finish on top down before I enter in Papa home.
within band.
Reverend J.J. Ransom Kuti,
He go sweat.
na him be the first Nigerian where they record say he sing, then record them for grant.
Like shit.
So the first musical recording ever produced by a Nigerian first ever musical recording by a Nigerian. Nigeria never even did when he do am. Also, the person do 1900. No be 1914 when I said they amalgamate Nigeria. Hey. Well, let us assume say na Nigeria. I go bring this one down now, play you another one when in they talk about habits where we learn from Oyibo, habits we no correct. He call this one lady. Arararara. So if na family pedigree, he go out to see family where get history and impacts like the Anikulapo family. Okay, make I talk about him mama small. Fela mama na the first person where they record as woman when he drive motor. That time to drive motor, they be like to enter inside moon. The first woman to drive a car in the geographical region known as Nigeria today was Mama Funmilayo Ransome Kuti. She was married to another Anglican reverend, Kuti, who was a minister in the Anglican Church, in the Church Missionary Society, who was also a school teacher. He was also very good with the organ. So music did the family. Fela Anikulapo Kuti studied music in London at a Royal Academy, returned to Nigeria, worked briefly with a radio station, started his musical career with iLife, but in due time, Baba changed. I could just touch on small. So when we dey hail Fela, when we dey talk about Fela, when we dey hype Fela, he deserves every hype he's getting. The age where Fela and the rest of in contemporary they play music, that time studio to Patun where we they do now not day. Today now they feel help you cook beats for inside studio with computer, Fruity Loop, Cakewalk, all those apps where they use. But that time any sound where you hear they play them. I know be say they go play one person enter inside vocal booth, come out, and that person go enter. Everything is being played at once and being recorded. So in 37 years of musical career, Fela had 54 studio albums. And now Oyibo man, they always market him. Before he produce a video, they don't even pay. From January to December, in all the rest, they book am for shows all across the world. Fela no dey collect advance and balance, so he go collect him money full once, and you know the issue receipt. According to one Shola Soetan, who was an SUG president at the Obafemi Awolowo Universities in the 80s, he say if you don't pay, you don't pay. Say if you no trust them, say you dey look for the seat, make you dey go. Collect your money, they go. And if he promises you to show up on Thursday morning, he's showing up on Thursday morning. All this vibe where they hear now from the song Lady, where he sang, if you call a woman, African woman, no go gree, he go say be lady. Today now, if you enter street now, say mommy. So you go say, me kì í ṣe mommy o, ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni mí. I hope say you dey follow me. 37 years career of impact back to back. 54 recorded studio albums. They recorded and say when he died for 1997, over 1 million persons gathered to witness his burial. The street of Lagos was locked down. So when you dey listen to Fela, you dey listen to lecture, not be just entertainment.
If you call a woman, African woman, no go gree. She go say,
I be lady o. You know say today now, some sisters dey our street today now, they don't celebrate birthday 25 years, like 10 years. Anytime when you ask them, say, how old are you? Say I'm 25. I'm 26. They know they ever pass 25, 26.
if you call a woman, African woman, no go gree. She go say, I be lady. She go say, I be lady. She go say,
When soldiers begin flog children for school anyhow, Fela go withdraw in children come in house. See, after all, na rubbish they teach them, he begin teach them for in house by himself. That is some Femi Anikulapo Kuti has been nominated for Grammy Awards 4 times.
she go say, I be lady. She go say, I be lady.
Another of his son, where they cause trouble online now, Seun Anikulapo Kuti, has also been nominated for Grammy Awards
Tell you.
way back in 2018.
I want to
Okay,
tell you about love.
in grandson Made Kuti has also been nominated for the Grammy Awards last 2 years. That is the first son of Femi Anikulapo Kuti. So if you count them from Made to Femi to Fela to the father and to the grandfather,
She go say him get power.
that is 5 generations of national musical impact.
Himself fit do. She go say him.
It is reasonable make we talk this story
She go say him get power like man.
so that we no go elevate anybody beyond the importance.
Himself fit do. I never tell you finish. I never tell you finish. I never.
There is nowhere on the surface of the earth where music is studied at advanced level that the name of Fela does not come out.
Anybody. She go on make you open door for 'em. She go on.
Recently, some Gen Z children they talk say they no nominated. Say Fela no get Grammy award.
Man, she go sit down for she,
First of all, Grammy awards na American award.
for she.
Now who they like then they give.
Before anybody. She wants to see
If you ask anyone today for rap music, say who be the best rapper ever,
before anybody.
you say that they go talk say B.I.G.
That piece of me,
or they go talk Tupac.
call 'em for
Sure you know say both of them no get Grammy.
dance. Call 'em for dance. She go dance, lady dance. African
The
woman,
notorious B.I.G.
she go dance the fire dance. African woman go dance. She go
and Tupac Amaru Shakur, both of them no get Grammy.
for her. She go
Now who organize award know who in they give and why in they give them.
but lady not be so. But lady not be so.
Jay-Z has more than 5 Grammy awards
Lady not master.
and Tupac no get one.
Lady not master. Lady not
If I say today in a lecture we they do,
for dance.
but enjoy the lecture too.
Lady dance. Call 'em for dance. She go
Are you aware that Snoop Doggy does not also have a Grammy award?
She go dance the fire dance. African woman go dance.
Okay, make I shock you, but Marley no get Grammy award.
She know him man a master. She go
And Sean Paul get,
do any.
Benny Man get,
But lady not be so.
which other Jamaican get, Shaggy get.
Lady not be so. But lady not be so. Lady not master.
Buju Banton get.
Lady not master.
If those kind people get and Bob Marley no get,
If you call a woman,
how did they share this Grammy self?
she go say. She go say I be lady. She go say I be.
Okay, Fela no get Grammy award, but many people wey copy and don't get.
Say I no be woman. She go say.
Can I also shock you that Fela is the most sampled African artist ever?
She go say I be.
If they say they sample your music, they say they take out of your music, take create and that music. Okay. If you just dey join us, now conscious vibes. Some people call it conscious music. For iPad, you go to hear them. The lady no be so, lady na master.